everyone, it's Sam here, and today we're going to be opening up box 8 from the Made to Surprise Advent. There's not that many left now, it's getting a bit easy to find them, she says. I think it's here. Here we go. A small box today, but small boxes also contain nice things. So let's take the tape off. So inside here is the collector's gift. So this one's a special one. Everything's been designed by Sarah, but me and Sarah did spend quite a bit of time designing this pin badge, and it says paper crafting is my superpower, and it's in the Made to Surprise colours. And I just think it's adorable. So I don't need to flip the screen because it's pretty self-explanatory. Now you can obviously wear these if you want to with pride. Maybe if we all get together one day and have a meet up, we should have our little badges. I vision like a lanyard with all collector's bits on, but we've got a little badge. I'm going to probably put this on my toolkit because I have got some other, I wonder if I've got it at hand, 2 seconds. Yeah, so on here it's a little bit battered, but this is my Made to Surprise toolkit. And I do still use it. I mean, it's just been under a pile of bits, but on here I've got little pin badges from when I won Crafter of the Month, when I used to be on the design team for Trim Craft. I've got little, this is a really old pin badge that my parents gave me. I've got one of Canada when I went there many, many years ago. So I might add mine to this, but I've also got some nice little embroidery hoops, and I've got one where you can put pin badges on that. So have a little look around and pop it on whatever you feel. But I hope you wear it. If you do, you wear it with pride, because these are exclusive. There has only been as many of the calendars that we've made. That's as many of these pins. So you won't find these anywhere else. And I hope, fingers crossed, that I will be doing more of these little keepsake, like I said, collectible pieces, because I think they're quite sweet. So I hope you enjoyed day number 8. It's just a little thank you from me to you for all of the support and for buying the products and enjoying them, because it is much appreciated. So have a lovely day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.